Hello, students. My name is David. I am originally from Nigeria and I'm currently an online tutor. I teach science subjects such as physics, chemistry, biology, integrated science, as well as computer science and other IT related subjects. I speak English fluently and I enjoy connecting with students from diverse backgrounds. I have years of experience teaching in both classroom and other settings where I focus on making complex ideas simple and easy to understand. My background in applied biochemistry, as well as leadership and supervision, has also helped me develop strong communication skills and problem solving skills. Right now, I'm advancing my studies in computer science and software engineering, which keeps my knowledge current and allows me to better relate to the learning journey studies students are on. In my lessons, you can expect a supportive and engaging environment. I make studies practical. I like to use interactive methods, real life examples, and practical exercises to help students build a strong foundation and grow their curiosity. Whether you're a beginner looking for clarity or more advanced and wanting to deepen your understanding. I will guide you step by step toward your goals. Thank you for watching my introduction. I like to work with you, help you achieve your success, achieve your goals, and your dream.